You got a new color, like a new scarf, huh? Wow. You okay, baby?
It's okay. Yeah, it's alright. You're okay.
You would tell your uncle, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You tell your uncle your story, huh?
Wow.
Yeah?
Pretty big, yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty big.
Where, was it a
You okay, Pooh Bear? You gonna night? Come on. Alright, so if you guys just tuned in, this is my dog Nabelle. She is 8 years old. We found a mast cell tumor on her side there. But the doctor had to cut out a little bit more just for the surrounding area. And this is like the hardest thing she had to go through. Of course, it's like a major surgery. I don't know if she knows, she's uncomfortable, she's in pain. I don't know. I don't want to touch her because it's bad. But it's just we took her in today. This is her first night. So maybe the anesthesia and all the medicine is wearing off. But she's not, I don't want her, she's not supposed to come up on the chair. No, 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 don't come up here. And I don't know if she knows how to lay down with this collar, so. And I can't give her medicine till tomorrow, they said, because she has a lot of medicine in her already. Oh, my baby. Just hopefully that the cancer, they got it all. I mean, I can't even believe dogs get cancer. Like, oh, they didn't do nothing wrong to anybody. They have to suffer that too. Yeah. Oh, my baby. This is my baby, huh? So in the beginning of the video, I was driving her. I mean, we were taking her to the appointment and then we had picked her up. Okay. So this is day one. She's in a lot of pain. That's a big cut. It's a major surgery, you know, even for any person. No, sister, don't come up here. You cannot. I don't want you to, like, you're not supposed to jump. Okay? You go lay down over there, honey. I don't know if you know how to lay down. Are you uncomfortable? Yeah? Don't jump up here. Stay over there, okay? No, Mama, you cannot do that. Okay? Jesus, she did just go and lay down there. Okay, I know this is gonna be a long night. Please send well wishes, good vibes, and prayer to Navea that she's cancer free. Look how big it is, look. I never dreamed my Pooh Bear would be like this. But I guess we'll check with you guys tomorrow. I will wrap this one up. And yeah, so if you ever see anything odd on your dog, go get it checked. At first it was a soft kind of mast-cell, I mean not mast-cell, but I forget what it was called, but it was a soft lump, and then it would come back. It would come and go, and it would bleed at the same, you know, it would erupt. So make sure you can get your pets checked as soon as you can. And then now she's like having to suffer this. I hope that she's gonna be resting well tonight. There, okay, there. Just rest. All right, you guys have a good night. Take care. God bless. We will see you all tomorrow.